Hello, I'm Paweł Turczynowicz. I'm CEO of Ybanking. Ybanking is a group purchase platform for banking. Customers can buy products like loans, deposits on our platform, and they get monthly cashback for that. If they connect with their friends on the platform, the cashback gets bigger. It is a combination of existing solutions of cashback platforms, price comparators, recommendation programs, and we have some magic ingredients. I will talk about them later. We launched in March this year. We sold 175 million Polish zloty of products, mostly deposits, with 87% retention rate. Most of that is an organic growth. We are based on virality, and so far it works. Despite the very good start, we are still a seed company because we want to take the biggest opportunity in retail banking, and we still experiment with our product market fit. And what is the biggest opportunity in retail banking? This is an example of two most common products and the prices, today prices of the top 5 biggest banks and 5 best prices on the market. The difference is huge, yet the market share of incumbents increases recently. Those, let's say, immoderate prices represent the opportunity of 8 to 12 billion Polish zloty. What is the reason of such differences in pricing? The first one is the segmentation and pricing elasticity. Vast majority of the market, of the customers, are settlers, are customers who don't shop around, who just buy what the banks provide them. And a decrease of price by 10% on this segment gives you less than 10% increase in sales. On the other hand, there are cherry pickers who are really actively looking for products. Unfortunately, the banks who try to attract cherry pickers challengers have issues with overheads. This is a quote of one of our discussions with one banker, that 400 Polish zloty per customer is not enough, the revenue of 400 Polish zloty is not enough to cover fixed costs, so they have to earn average 600, and they are not interested in the prices like this. If challengers try to attract settlers, they have issue with a cost of acquisition, which is very high for this segment. If you try to pull some customer, a loyal customer of a bank, you need to pay a lot on your branches, on your advertisement, etc. And then you have a very long life cycle, long and uncertain return. I know it's unusual to present startups with charts, but I believe these are the sexy charts because of the opportunity they present. If someone finds the right solution for this problem, he can build a great company. Our solution, the first one is pricing segmentation. We are a separate channel for banks, and we can attract cherry pickers, attract customers that are sensible to prices, and offer banks customers that generate 400 per year on top of 600 that banks have to do on the existing channels. The second thing is that we attract settlers by recommendations and networking from friends and family. And we transform the cost of acquisition into cashback, which is spread over the relation. You can look at Ybanking as a marketplace. Banks offer their products on our platform, and via Ybanking they pay customers for purchasing. It can be a platform for several banks, several products, including fintech companies. We can imagine, right now it's not the case, but we can imagine the cooperation with some fintech companies that struggle to attract customers.
No.
Okay.
1 minute. Sorry.
One of our magic ingredients is our product setup. Our relation with customers is based on daily banking, on a continuous relation with a customer. We believe it will be really boosted with PSD2. Right now, we pay customers a small 12 zloty on average for providing information about their financial situation, and then we try to cross-sell based on those data. We are negotiating with one of the banks to create a current account that will pay bonuses for any product in any bank, also for the sake of gathering information about the customer data. And then, if customer want to save and invest, we have term deposits, and we have license pending for offering investment products. If they want to borrow or refinance, we have new loans, we have refinancing, and we are working on our own refinancing for, that's the time?
Yep, 10 seconds to finish.
Okay. The team, 2 experienced bankers and advisors, experts in relevant areas, and we need 500,000 Polish zloty, 200 for product development and further experiments with bonus scheme, and 300 for a low-risk investment for capital base for own refinancing. Thank you.
Thank you. Dragons, the floor is yours. 4 minutes to ask question.
Okay, I have a question about these magic ingredients, especially the license for investment products pending, and about your own refinancing product.
We cooperate with one of the brokerage houses, and we will be on the AFI list. I don't know how to translate it in English. Agent of financial institution, and for the own refinancing, we gather information from clients that are really safe on the credit risk, and it's much better to refinance them on our own than to sell them to the banks.
Okay, thank you.
I have a question about your sourcing, your offer. Is it like you have to deal with banks and with the merchants independently to get like the best offer, or is it like or do you aggregate the offers, the products that are already on the market?
We try to talk with banks, and in some cases our best offers are a direct cooperation with banks. Mm-hmm. And in some cases, just to widen the offer, we are using existing affiliate programs, just to put the offer on the banks on the platform to give customers a choice. But the best offers are made on our direct cooperation with banks.
Okay, and banks are open to like give you like the best offer, like better than to their other customers, like how?
It is a standard offer with a cashback. Yes, so they can isolate customers who are ready to pay 600 for cooperation with the banks, and from the customer that are not ready to pay 600, but they are ready to pay 4. Okay. And they can do it by
Can you tell a bit about your, I would say, take rate, your business model, like your commission, like how do you?
We are experimenting with that.
Yeah.
On average, right now, we take 20% of the commission. I think it can be the case for the future. Right now, we experiment with 50, and in some cases, we subsidize products and give 120% of the commission.
I think your business is very innovative. So, can you give any like foreign benchmark in US or in any other country, like, or you're like the first one, like the first mover?
The status for the beginning of this year is that we are the first one. We were the finalist of Startup Bootcamp FinTech in London, and we discussed a lot there with trying to find some benchmark. There is no benchmark.
So you did the research and you didn't find any benchmark. Yeah?
Okay, so I have to admit that I'm pretty fuzzy on this whole idea. Maybe I just don't get it. So what precisely is it that is your secret sauce here? Walk me through a journey of how you're able to acquire a customer cheaper than a bank and actually make money on this. I'm really lost on this.
Banks spend a lot of money on acquiring customers. On average, to acquire a profitable customer in Poland, it's 800 Polish zloty, sometimes more. And banks just use the same money via our platform. And what we do, we attract customers using value proposition, using much better prices. It's not a price, it's sometimes we are compared with price comparators, yes? That if someone wants to have a good price, they search for price comparators. We give better product. We give what sits on price comparator plus, for example, 2%. Because we share with customers what we received from the bank. And one more thing.
10 seconds to finish.
And the magic sauce is in recommendations. It's not like a recommendation program that you have to sell a product to your friend. You propose your friend to join Ybanking, and then you use banks independently, fully confidentially. You just use the products you want, just with better prices because you are connected with someone else.
And thank you. Big round of applause for Paweł. Thank you.